Hi, this is Biotronix digital ergometer, milestone model by Solution Forever. I'm just opening the case. You will be getting this case like this. I'm opening the same. This is the digital ergometer. You can see I have already inserted battery in the same. From this button you have to turn it on. You can select the unit in kg, lb, fin or oz. I'm selecting the same as kg. Now I'm applying the pressure with the same. As you can see, it was wearing, but now it's stable, so the same has been locked, and now you can take the reading. After taking the reading, if you want to reset the same, just click on the same button, the reading will be reset and you are ready to take the next reading. Thank you.